Hi, Tracy here with Paper Closet Designs and the Idea Closet. Welcome back to my studio. I have another little video. I want to show you how easy it is to make these little tags. They have a little box. I've put mine in a cellophane bag and then tied it with some twine. They make great little gifts. But let me show you what's in here. If I can get the bag open. So it has this little box, and then there's a bunch of little tags inside, and you can make as many tags as you want. So I've got some that have the printed to and from on there, to from little heart, to from with a star, another to from with a star. Just lots of ideas. And then there's a Christmas tree, candy cane, says Happy Holidays, one that says Merry Christmas. So these little pieces right here are just scraps that I used from the paper that I had left over cutting out my cards and my boxes. There's not an actual file piece for this. You just use whatever you've got left over. Another little heart that says Merry Christmas. These are probably my favorite, is the little Santa socks. I love these little stockings. And there's just so many things that you can do with these. So I want to show you today how to assemble, or excuse me, how to do a print and cut with your different machines so that you can create these tags. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, I've got my tag box opened up. I'm working in Silhouette Business Edition. What I'm going to show you right now will work with Designer, Designer Plus, or Business Edition. And I have my box and my tags right here, my SVG file. But what I want to do is print this tag with the sentiment. So I'm going to open up another tab, and I've already got it set up. I have it on a letter size page because that's what my printer takes, and I have my registration marks. So I'm going to come up here and go to File, and I'm going to click on Merge because I want it to open up in this window, not its own window. You're going to navigate to where you have saved your images, and then we're opening up, I'll just open up here, we're opening up the Print and Cut window. I'm going to open up my Print and Cut, and we're just going to do this first one that says Happy Holidays, and open it up. And it opens right up there in the corner. So I'm just going to bring it down and put it on my mat. Now, if I wanted to do a couple more on here, I could. I would go to File and Merge again. It's going to open up right to where I just left it. So let's do Happy Holidays in the middle, and brings it over here. You could do 2 or 3 more, or how many you could fit on the page. I'm just going to show you this right now. So then the next thing you would do is you would load your printer with some cardstock, white cardstock, and then you'll click on the Send to Printer button, find your printer, and then go ahead and print. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to hit Cancel. Once your page is printed, it's going to look just like this, with the exception of these hash marks are not printed, but your 3 corner marks are. So once you get this printed, you're going to place it on your mat just exactly like it shows. I'm going to come up here to Send. Excuse me. And then we're going to cut this by line color. So I'm going to click on Line. You want to make sure no color is turned off, and that your red lines are clicked or are checked. And I'm not sure why we've got 2 swatches turned on. It's probably because these are just a hair different in color. Go ahead and check your material type for cardstock. You want it uncut, and then you want the blade, and then you're just simply going to hit Send. I'm not hooked up right now, and I haven't printed one off, but what will happen is you're going to load this into your Silhouette, load your mat with your paper just exactly like this on there, load it onto your Silhouette or your Cameo, hit Send, And then your machine is going to read these registration marks and know exactly where to cut. And so it's going to cut right on that red line. And then when you're done, you will have your tags with your sentiment already printed on them. Pretty simple to do. Thanks for joining me today.